Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can earn $5,000 in every 30 seconds with using ChatGPT for free. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to open our default browser, as you can see. So here we have to just search for our OpenAI. So in OpenAI, they provide a ChatGPT. Here we have to open just OpenAI. So here we have to just go to our product section, and here we have to click on the chat GPT. So here we can see we have an option of chat GPT. So here we have to just click on try on web button. From this you have to just sign up with your ID. So you can just sign up from your Google account, Microsoft account, or any other account you that have, and it's absolutely free. So here we are making money with selling books in our Audible. So Audible is like a platform that is uh, made by Amazon and it is trusted. So here you have to make a simple Audible or book and then we will sell. So to make the book we are using here as our Canva, and to script the book we are using as here our chat GPT. So here we have to search as here suggest me 10 book cata- categories. Sorry, my spelling is wrong. So for book categories, for we are targeting as children, or uh, for mm, only 10 pages. So we can make 10 pages. So here we have to wait till it gives us the answer. So here we can make a storybook, a travel guide, a self-help group not sorry book, and a poetry and cooking recipe. So you can make a philosopher, and we can just make this. Okay, if you want more you can just click more. So let's open here as Audible. So here you can see we have a Audible. So we'll open here. So here you can see here we have our Audible. So here it's Amazon company. So here we have to just click on here about we'll scroll down, and as you can see here as sell. So here's a register account. So make money with Audible. So to just click on start now. So here we have to log in with our uh, Amazon. So here I have to just pay 2 rupee for this plan. So here I have to add our credit card or any ATM card, and I can use here as my UPI. So to add here you have to just give your credit card. So when you will give here, so then you can just upload your uh, books and you can just sell it on Amazon directly. So to make the books we are using as here as canva.com. We can just open as Canva. So here we are making here as home. So here we have to search as books. Okay, so books. So we can just go to here. can just make a book from here. So let's select a topic. So we are making a storybook, a short story. So we can just write a short story for kid. Write a short story book for kid. So we can just say ChatGPT. It will write. So we will select a template. So here we can just use this template for creating our ChatGPT presentation. So here is our template. So here we can just make it uh, look nice from here. So we'll add here a page. From here we can see we have a small book. So we can just make it. So here is the title: The Magical Adventures of Charlie and Luna. So we can just title it from here. So we can just make it here using this fonts. So we have to use our creativity and imagination to make, because children's books should be very creative in creative manner, so they will like and their parents will buy for them. So here we have to use more number of images to increase the page and to engage the children in a book. So here is our title, and let's get started next. So here we have to write here as our. So once upon a time, there were, you can just here write here as title, like subheading. Once upon a time, in a small town of Wilbully, there lived a curious and imaginative boy named Charlie. Charlie loved to explore the picture, so we can just search here as image. So a boy, a boy running. So that's not. So we can just add this image as Charlie's image here. So we can just add grass. Hmm. So we can add one more grass here of same size. So we will connect them. Here is Charlie running. So here is a first page ready. So this is how we have to make the next page also. So one sunny afternoon while playing in nearby woods, Charlie stumbled upon a hidden behind the cluster was stating himself with a magical world filled with the vibrant color and talking with animals. So we can just mm, and just copy this, and we can search image as a boy talking to animals. So here we have to match the all size font. Okay, it's like 30.90. So we will do as here. This should be the font, and here we will add the image. So we will like a boy talking to animal. So we can add a character from here as graphics. So we can add like this. Okay. So we will add a vibrant colors also. So here we can just add this. Okay. So we can just change the color. So we'll remove this. So you can just make it behind layers, send backward. So we can just make like this. Okay. So it's looking good. So this is how you can just make the books from here. As you're making a children's book, you can just select your favorite category and be creative and make a book. Okay. So then you have to just click on save option and download. You can download in PDF, SVJ, and just download in PDF or any other file and then upload on that. So if somebody will order from Audible or Amazon, your revenue will be directly given to you after the exchange period. So this is how you can just earn $5,000 in every uh, 30 seconds. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.